Welcome to the instructions video for the Optical Density Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate optical density, transmittance, and absorbance values for optical measurements. Whether you're working with filters, spectroscopy, or light transmission analysis, this calculator makes conversions quick and accurate. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter values based on what measurement you have available. If you know the transmittance percentage, enter it in the transmittance field. For example, let's enter a transmittance of 10%, which represents a filter that allows only 10% of light to pass through. Alternatively, you can enter the optical density value directly if that's what you're given. The calculator will automatically compute the corresponding optical density, absorbance, and transmittance values. The results show how much light is blocked by your optical element. An optical density of 1 means light is reduced by a factor of 10, while an OD of 2 reduces light by a factor of 100. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.